Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with Roblox. Whenever you launch the game, you got the error of advapi32.dll error, which says the procedure entry point event set information could not be located in dynamic link library. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and proceed with the resolution. First of all, head over to settings menu, choose Windows Update, and if any update is pending at your end, make sure you choose the option download and install to make your Windows up to date. Secondly, right click on start menu and choose the option run. Type here appwiz.cpl and then hit the enter key. Now here find the Roblox game. Once find, click on the option uninstall to install it from your control panel. Once it is uninstalled, go ahead, open up your browser and I'll share a link of this Roblox right from the Microsoft Store. You need to click on the option Get in Store to download the Roblox from the Microsoft Store. Now click on the option Install. This will install Roblox right from the Microsoft Store for you. Once it is installed, go ahead and click on the option Play. This will launch Roblox for you. Go ahead, sign in using your login ID and then play the Roblox game without any kind of issue. However, if this fails to work out, you need to check the down detector website to make sure if there is any outrage from the Roblox end. If it is there, wait for some time until the Roblox servers are completely resolved. So this is all about it, friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you for watching.